Hello, Justin Timmons here with Watson Realty and the Get Smart team, and I am back to do another video tour over here out in E-Town. This area is located off Bay Meadows and 295, conveniently located very close to the town center. Also not far away from the airport, beaches, St. Augustine, etc. So you can get anywhere pretty quickly. But this community is Edison East. It's built by Toll Brothers. Really nice builder in the area. You probably have heard of them because they do homes all over the United States. What makes this community very unique is there's two different style of homes. One is a single family house, which is right behind me over here. And then the other is a villa. And so we're gonna do a tour of each one so you can get a feel for the differences. There's also an association fee and CDD fee. I'll put that in the description because, you know, kind of boring for me to rattle that stuff off. If you want to see more of these videos, please like and subscribe. Give me some feedback. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Let me know what I'm doing right. We'll read it. First, we're gonna go into the Sparrow Elite. That's this beautiful home behind me. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2609 square feet, and as you can see, it's 2 stories. Hope you enjoyed that tour. Now we're gonna check out the villa. It's the Egret Elite Modern Farmhouse. Come on, let's do it. Thanks again, guys, for coming to our YouTube channel and watching. Excuse the wind, it's a little windy out here. Hope you enjoyed those 2 model home tours by Toll Brothers. Again, we are in E-Town, the community of Edison East. So this is a larger community with other builders as well. I'm gonna do some tours of those, so just be on the lookout. But again, if you wanna see more of these videos, please like and subscribe to our channel, hit the bell, the notification bell. We appreciate all your support. And again, we love feedback, good or bad. So I guess we will see you guys on the next one.